we have this math question from Jacob. We're going to construct and simplify the difference quotient for the function f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 4x. So here we have the difference quotient. So this is kind of like a pre-calculus problem. And Jacob, when you get to calculus, you'll find that you can find the derivative of this function, which is much easier actually. But this is a really cool problem just to show how that's derived. So what we do is we take x plus h. Right there. It's f of x plus h. We're going to plug in x plus h into our function. So you're going to plug in x plus h where you see your x values here. Plug those in as inputs. So here we go. I'll come over here and do that. So we have 5 times x plus h quantity squared plus 4 times x plus h, and then minus your f of x. Well, your f of x is right there. It's 5x squared plus 4x. So we got to subtract 5x squared plus 4x all over your h. Alright, so we need to do a lot of simplifying here. I'll come down here. I'm going to simplify this. So we would have 5 times the quantity x plus h times x plus h. That's the quantity x plus h squared. I just wrote it out. Plus our 4 times x plus h minus, be careful to distribute your negative here. So that would be minus 5x squared minus 4x all over h. First thing I would probably do is use the FOIL method. So right here, I'll put it in brackets, I'm going to use the FOIL method and simplify that. So it would be 5 times, in brackets, x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared. Does everybody see here what I did? I did x times x, which is x squared, x times h, which is xh, x times h here is xh, and finally h times h is h squared. Plus, I'm going to distribute the 4 here. So that would be 4x plus 4h, then minus 5x squared minus 4x. Again, all over h. Got to distribute our 5, right? So that would be 5x squared plus 5xh plus 5xh plus 5h squared plus 4x plus 4h minus 5x squared minus 4x. So yeah, I simplified everything up on top there to that point. Now combine any like terms that you see. Well, let's see. I see a 5x squared minus 5x squared. That's good news. Those are gone. What else do we see here? I see a 4x and a minus 4x. Those are gone. Alright, anything else here? I don't think so. So, let's combine any like terms we see here that remain. I still have the 5xh plus 5xh. Those are like terms, but they do not, we are not rid of those because they are not opposite signs, right? So 5xh plus 5xh is 10xh. Alright, we also have plus a 5h squared plus our 4h. All divided by, remember, our h. Alright, so we can divide the terms in the numerator by h. If we do that, you're left with 10x plus 5h plus 4. So I guess that's about it. You could probably rewrite it as 10x plus 4 plus 5h. And I think that's about as simplified as it gets for that. So that would be the difference quotient for that function. Again, over here, in case you missed it, We divided our h's here. Those h's were gone. 5h squared over h, that turned into 5h. And finally 4h divided by h, the h's cancel out to give us the 4. A nice little pre-calculus problem there. Alright, so Jacob, I hope that was helpful for you to find the difference quotient. Please start sending me more and more of your questions. I'm here to answer them for you by video. Thanks and have a great day.